Your Roblox user ID is a unique number assigned to your account. You may need it for scripts, game passes, or account verification in some games. Here's how to find it on a mobile device. First, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application on your Android or iOS device, whatever you're using. Go ahead and log into your specific account. Then tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. And from the menu that appears, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile. Once you're in the profile section, go ahead and tap on this QR icon over here in the right-hand side of the screen beside the Edit Avatar option. Once you do that, you will see the option of Share Profile link in the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that and copy the link. As you can see, the link is www.roblox.com, and there is a code with it. The user ID is the number in the link, for example, 123456789, or whatever is displayed in your profile link. And keep in mind that your user ID is not the same as your username or display name. It's safe to use your user ID in games, scripts, or approved Roblox tools. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.